What's going on, guys? It's your boy Evil Genius, and we're finally back on Evil Designs. Gotta help the streamers out, gotta help my content creators out, man. So today I'm leaving you guys with 5 Twitch tips for your channel. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. But I am leaving you guys with 5 Twitch tips for your YouTube channel. But these aren't regular Twitch tips that you might just regularly hear on every YouTube channel. Okay, some of them, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the most creative thing in the world. But these are things that I've been thinking about. I've been actually thinking about this video for a long time, and I'm finally getting to record it. Ignore the background. This is not what you need to focus on. We're here to focus on your Twitch career, YouTube thing, whatever you want to do. But number one, start a schedule. All right, guys, I can't explain this enough. If you guys haven't already, and if you guys are bad at making a schedule, all you got to do is make a go on YouTube and look up a YouTube video how to make a schedule for content creation or whatever you guys want to do. I don't know. You need to be able to make a schedule and need to pinpoint on what days you want to post and what days you should post and what time you should post. Everything needs to be exact to how you do it. Follow the schedule. Don't give up after a week. Don't give up after 2 weeks. Keep it going. Try to do it at least for a month. If you guys can't do it, then make a new one. But you guys need to have a schedule. Be consistent. That is a tip in itself, but I'm gonna just put this in schedule. But you need to really be consistent and have a schedule so everybody knows when you post or when you go live or whatever you want to do, right? You can use these tips more than just Twitch, but you need to have a schedule. It's very important. I can't explain it and I can't exercise that enough, that how important a schedule is. I have one myself. I actually had somebody help me with my schedule. If you guys, like I said, if you don't know how to make a schedule, YouTube it, grab a friend, family member, whatever. But schedule is needed. Number two, for your Twitch streams, never stop talking. Don't stop talking. You never know who's watching at all. Me specifically, I am a huge lurker myself, but not only that, my Twitch chat is a very, very big lurking community, and I recently came to know that, notice that. But a lot of my viewers do lurk. I will have sometimes 14 to 12 viewers, and most of those guys are lurkers, to be honest. And then, but it surprised me because people will come to me after my stream and be like, "That was a good stream," and I didn't even see them at all. And you never know who's watching your Twitch channel. You always want to just keep talking because people would, lurk, and then once they finally feel comfortable, they'll eventually open up and talk to you. But just never stop talking. Always comment on something. Comment on a game. I don't know. Comment on a weird glitch. If you like the grass in the game, comment on that. Just keep talking. You want to keep people engaged. You want to hear something. You don't want to make it dead silence. If you're not too good at talking, just play a little light background music, and then but keep talking. Don't use the background music as cover fire, but essentially it does help a lot. I won't lie. Background music does help a lot, but make sure you're still talking. Always talk. Just keep talking. Don't stop talking. Next, for me, this helps so much. I actually made a new Discord, but this is make a Discord, all right? Make a Discord server. If you don't know how to make a Discord, there will be a YouTube video on that, but make a Discord server, man. If you don't know how to, ask a friend. Like I said, most of this stuff is all on YouTube. I'm not telling you anything like special that isn't available to everybody. Make a Discord. People need to know where you're at or when something happens. Who knows? Maybe you're a Twitch streamer. Maybe Twitch disappears tomorrow, right? What are you gonna do if Twitch disappears tomorrow? Who's gonna? How they gonna know you? Where are you gonna be at? We need to know where you're at. Make a Discord, right? Yo, Twitch disappeared. We're going back to Mixer. Well, you can't do that. Never mind. Bad idea, right? But you know what I mean. You need people to know where you're going and things like that. And if you have any life updates, maybe you won't be able to stream this week, or maybe you're not feeling good. You want your community to stay updated, right? You want people to know, hey, I can't stream this week, or I'll be late to this stream because of work. Whatever you do, things happen, things show up. I'm having a dinosaur child. I don't know. Don't That would be kind of weird. Next, use tags. I can't explain this enough, right? Use tags. Use tags on your YouTube videos, or I mean, You should do that too. That's a good one, man. Tags have helped me, but use tags on your Twitch stream. I can't tell you how many times people have came to my channel just because they're looking for a specific game and see that I'm black, or see something, they see African American, or it'd be like, or if you can speak Spanish, they might see like a Spanish tag or something. People come for a specific audience all the time. Use tags. If you do ASMR or you're like a soft voice person, put ASMR, all the stuff. You've seen it. There's so many tags down Twitch. I can literally show you guys right now, right? Look at all these streams with these tags, right? These tags just all down Twitch. This is what people do. Just put them on there. Make yourself stand out a little bit more, right? My fifth tip for this video is use decorations, right? Use decorations. And what I mean by use decorations, decorate your stream with like stickers, little things that fly around the screen, or like if you don't stream with a face cam, use like I don't know, PNG tubers, VTubers, something, just so people can watch. There's something rotating. If it's social media, put it on the screen. Use decoration so there's not just a plain screen. I can't tell you how many times that I've go through Twitch, sometimes just looking for a new streamer. I look for new streamers all the time just to connect with somebody. Give somebody their first follower or maybe their 10th follower. I don't know. Just meet new people. They don't even have to be that small. I just check out new people, but make sure you put something on your screen, right? To stand out. Because if you're not, then you're in the midst of all the other streamers who don't have a face cam or any decorations. You look like everybody else. You want to stand out, right? Use a decoration on your screen. Slap a fat sticker right on top of the screen or something. I don't know. Do something that moves, that spins, that interacts, or that people can interact with, like Twitch chat, do commands. Use decorations, right? Tip number 6, because I'm gonna leave you guys with something special here, right? I'm gonna leave you something with some extra sauce, some extra drizzle, right? Okay, because I've thought about this one, and I know a lot of people are very against this. Like, I am like putting myself in the line of fire for this one, right? But this is my personal opinion, all right? So don't kill me for this one. But you know that one viewer that asks to play with you when and you don't know them, and people always time them out or just like ban them. Hey, look, all I'm saying is if you feel in a really good mood, take a chance, take a gamble, play with that one viewer that says, hey, can I play with you? Or like if it's like a group game where multiple people can join, get that person in, right? Get that person that just joined in, because more like than likely they really just want somebody to play with, right? I'm not trying to make it a sad moment or something like that, but no, just they might want somebody to play with. I can't tell you how many times I've actually had people come in my chat randomly do that. I play with people from, okay, this example is a little bit different, right? But so somebody from my friend's stream, ATMVK, right? One of her viewers came into my chat, and I didn't know them from anything. Like, I didn't know them from anything at all, right? And they asked, hey, I didn't know you played Battlefield. Can I play with you? I didn't know what they sound like. I didn't know their voice. I didn't know guy, girl, whatever. I didn't know anything about this person, right? And I said, sure, right? And now they come to my stream every single day, right? Every single day, pretty much, they come through, they show love, they either lurk, and they show love. Because that's just that random gamble. I took a gamble, and they end up liking my content even more. I didn't know this person from anything, right? I just seen them in somebody else's chat. But take a gamble on that random viewer, man. But these are my 5 Twitch tips. Yo, these are my 5 Twitch tips for Twitch. Twitch tips for That's a lot to say, all right? With the exception of the other one. But, man, guys, if you guys want more stuff for the YouTube channel to help you guys out with Twitch stuff, I will be explaining how to make super cool Twitch overlays and it's more descriptive videos here in the next future. Near next future. Next future is insane, right? The near future, I will be explaining more and helping people out because I can talk about Twitch and YouTube every day. And I'm getting better at these things. I'm actually myself, I usually don't stream with a camera, right? But I do these YouTube videos with a camera. It's kind of weird, it's kind of backwards. But I'm getting better at these. So if you guys like and subscribe, I would appreciate that. And check out my other YouTube channel, Evil Genius. We recently just did a review video on Saints Row. That is actually my most YouTube video on my channel with over 700 views or close to it by now. But thank you guys so much for the love. It's your boy Evil Genius, and I'm out. Peace.